Why do other people's eye drawings look like this, but yours look like this? Here are 5 common mistakes people make when drawing eyes with colored pencils. Using flat colors, beginners often fill the iris with a single color, making it look lifeless. In reality, the iris contains layers of colors, subtle streaks, and gradients that add depth and texture. Ignoring light reflections. Overlooking highlights or placing them incorrectly can make the eye appear dull or unnatural. Properly positioned reflections are essential for conveying moisture and shine. Not blending smoothly. Failing to blend colors properly can result in harsh transitions between shades, especially around the iris and sclera, the white part of the eye. Smooth blending helps achieve a realistic, three-dimensional look. Pressing too hard, too early, applying too much pressure from the start can flatten the tooth of the paper, limiting the number of layers you can add. Light layering and building up color gradually is essential for realism. Neglecting the surrounding skin. Beginners may focus only on the eye itself and ignore the surrounding skin, eyelashes, and eyelids. These areas contain shadows, veins, and subtle color variations that enhance realism. By avoiding these pitfalls, artists can improve their colored pencil techniques and bring more life to their eye drawings. Every attempt at drawing eyes brings you one step closer to mastering them. Keep practicing, and you'll unlock their beauty and depth.